Hey everyone, this is Scott Lucas with howtomakefunnels.com, and in this first video of using Link Wizard, we're going to log in and change our password. Once we get done with that, then we will create a link. So we'll log in here, use app.uselinkwizard.com. All right, first thing we'll do is we are going to change our password. All right, now this, I use LastPass. We're going to go to settings, old password, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Enter your new one. Make sure it's a long. I always recommend you use long passwords. You know, being in IT, so don't use something you can remember unless you have to write it down, or you can use LastPass. Okay, so let's try this again here. All right, press submit. All right, success. This will happen. That's okay. Then I'll add it here. Now, one thing, if you want to go back, let's go back in here so you can kind of get a feel for the settings. Your redirection. If you ever want to set up any type of redirection, come through here. I'll do a video on all this at another point, but you can integrate Zapier, pixels, IP settings for blocking or restricting, and create a custom domain, and have your conversion scripts. But for now, we're going to be creating a link, okay? So we're going to go to create short link. And I want to create some links for funnel, for the main site we can go into here. So put in the site that you want here. Okay, I want to customize this. And this is not for Facebook Messenger. All right, I want to customize it too. We're setting up the Google for Google here, so we're going to put Google HTML. Okay, Google profile. There we go. Let's just do that. Make it to where it makes sense. It doesn't have to for you. Makes Google profile. All right. We don't need to do this. You wanted to, if you wanted to. You add your pixel there. We'll create a tag. Click on that. I don't need to. If you want to, you can. Your description. You can add a customized redirection link. All right. You can update the logo here if you wanted to. You can add a favicon. Just upload it. Actually, we can do that. They go to favicon generator in that. So we'll add a favicon here. And let's see here. I think it's still in downloads. Yep. And we will do a matter. Do that one. And a link preview. No, you can if you want to. Use the original. Use custom. And use custom. Come over here. Change it. That way, file. We're adding the favicon. Yeah, just be careful when you're going through checking and unchecking. That's fine. All right. Add expiration date. If you wanted to, you can do that. And you can add that scarcity, that schedule. Third link. It'll be interesting to test out. Add geolocation. You want to do that? And last but not least, you can add a password. That way, if somebody clicks on the link, you want to have a password, you can do that. Don't want to do all that. Now, I just want to shorten the URL. Success. Bingo. And I'm just going to highlight that. Copy. No, I can make sure when you open it, here's the details. Go one time. Preview, block links, status. Maybe just status by clicks per country. Browser stats referring channels. And then any type of conversion status you have here. So that's everything when creating your link. So thank you for joining. And in the next video, we'll be talking about creating a file link. Other than that, talk to you soon.